Welcome to Interior Design's YouTube channel. Building a small shipping container house is an innovative and sustainable approach to create a unique live space. To embark on the endeavor through planning and meticulous execution are essential. The first step involves researching designs and obtaining necessary permits from local authorities. Once the plan is in place, select sturdy and suitable shipping containers, ensuring they are in good condition. After determining the layout modifications like cutting openings for doors and windows, isolating the interior and reinforcing structural elements are carried out. Careful stacking and securing of containers on a solid foundation ensure stability. Roofing, flooring, plumbing, and electrical installation flow. Facilitated by skilled professionals, isolation enhances comfort while interior finishes lend character to the space. Properly sealed windows and doors ensure weather resistance and connecting utilities like water, electricity, and sewage fillingness. The functional aspects landscaping completes the exterior, harmonizing the container house with its surroundings. Building a small shipping container house is not only a testament to creativity but also a commitment to sustainable living and resource optimization. Thanks for watching. Must watch, subscribe, and like Interior Design channel.